Hey everybody, I'm back with another video. And in this video, I want to go over my pros and cons of the Explorer Slim Travel Bag by Gravel. So let's go. Okay everybody, so I had this bag for about a year now. Back in December 2021, I uploaded a video on my channel unboxing the Gravel bag. And since then, I went on 2 trips. One was in Medellin, Colombia. I stayed there for a week. And then the other was in Atlanta, Georgia. I only stayed there for a weekend. So I got to experience a week using the bag and how it was with traveling with it, and also got to experience just a weekend with traveling with it. So I hope this pros and cons video will help you decide which bag is right for you. So let's get into it. Pro number 1 is design. So let's talk about the design. It's very, very sleek. It's very minimal. There's not a lot going on, which is the coolest thing about the bag. But if you look close on the zippers, they actually have their Gravel logo engraved on the zippers, which is really nice. Also, if you look at the bottom left-hand corner, they also have their Gravel logo engraved on the left-hand corner. There's not a lot of colors on the bag. There's not a lot of different handles. There's none of that. It's just a nice plain black bag with a couple of zippers, which is really, really cool. That is it for pro number 1. For pro number 2, we're gonna talk about the size of the Explorer Slim Travel Bag. The length is 19 inches and then the width is 5.5 inches. The bag is very small, so when I travel on both of my trips, I use my carry-on bag, and then this travel bag fit perfect inside the carry-on bag, and I was still able to put other clothes inside of the bag. So it didn't take up a lot of space in your carry-on if you decide to carry on. Of course, if you have a check bag, that's even better because now you obviously have more space. But if you want to use a carry-on, even like a personal bag, this bag wouldn't take up a lot of space, which is really cool. And that actually leads us into pro number 3, which is the space that you have inside of the bag. So the bag is very small and it doesn't take up a lot of space inside of your carry-on bag. But when you actually open the bag up, you have a lot of space in there for all of your personal items. That leads us into pro number 4, which is being organized. So inside of the bag, when you open it up, you have a lot of space, but I love how organized inside of the bag. So over here, you have your zipper, so you can put like a toothbrush over here. And on the opposite side, you have a bigger space to put like maybe a cologne bottle or something. And then at the bottom down here, where you can put, hair products, you put whatever you want to put, but it's cool because they keep it very organized so that your personal items are not just flying around everywhere. They want to make sure your personal items are actually like secured. So there's pouches, zippers inside of the bag, which is pretty cool. And then also down here, if you wanted to, you can put your liquid ounce bottles inside of this bag. For me, I bought the Gravel liquid ounce bottles separate, so they actually fit perfect in this pouch. But if you wanted to buy another liquid ounce bottle, then you could if the dimensions are correct so they can fit inside the pouch. So yeah, that is it for pro number 4. Okay, so now that we went over all of our pros, I want to switch over to the con. And the only con that I have about this travel bag is this pouch. It's for your liquid items. So like if you was to travel and then your cologne bottle was to open up and it's still inside of the pouch, then that cologne won't get over onto your other items like your toothbrush or one of the other zippers that actually have like a mesh pouch, so it's not actually covered. So that's what it's for. So what I did is I purchased the Gravel liquid pouches that they actually have on their website because their pouches are made, or their liquid bottles are actually made for this pouch. So it's supposed to fit perfect inside of the pouch because it's designed for the pouch. What I noticed is that it's very hard to get the liquid bottles out of the pouch and into the pouch. If the liquid bottle is empty, then what happens is that it folds as you try to push it down inside of the pouch because it's empty. And if it's full, then it makes it hard to get it out the pouch because it's full. And that's the only con that I really have with the bag. That is it for my pro and con review video for the Explorer Slim Travel Bag. I hope this video helps you. We went over the design, the size, how compact it is, and went over my con of the small pouch. So I hope this video helps you. If so, give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Safe travels, and I will see you all at my next video.